A business plan is a roadmap for your business. It is the most important document you will create other than your company's incorporation papers. The company's banker, investors, board members, and employees all need to understand how you plan to start and run a business successfully. But often, entrepreneurs find that the process of creating a business plan seems overwhelming. This video will guide you through the process of writing a perfect business plan step by step for your startup. Step 1. Write introduction or executive summary. As the first section of your business plan, the introduction is where you will provide an overview of your business concept and outline the overall purpose of your business plan. This section should be a brief, single-page summary that includes the following information: your business name and logo, a brief description of your business location, the names of the business's owners and their roles in the company, the date you start or plan to start your business, your company's mission statement, an overview of your target market and target customers, a description of your product or services offering, a brief overview of your sales and marketing strategy, your company's financial projections for the next 3 to 5 years. Step 2. Goal statement. As you start your business, it's important to have a clear idea of what you hope to achieve. This will help you develop realistic goals and objectives and set yourself up for success. The goal statement should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based. It should describe what you want to achieve and why it's important to your business. When writing your goal statement, keep the following in mind. Be clear and concise. Keep your goals realistic and achievable, and make sure they are relevant to your business. Make them measurable. Include numbers or other metrics so you can track your progress. Set a deadline. Having a timeline will help you keep on track and motivated to achieve your goals. Make them actionable. Your goals should be something that you can take concrete steps towards achieving. Here are some examples of goal statements. To increase sales by 20% within the first year of operation. To build a loyal customer base of 100 individuals within the first 6 months. To launch our online store in Q4 of 2024. Whatever your goals may be, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-based so that you can stay on track as you grow your business. Step 3. Company description. Before you even start writing your business plan, you need to have a clear idea of what you want to achieve. What are your business goals? What are your objectives? Once you know the answers to these questions, you can begin crafting your company description. Your company description should be brief and to the point. It should give readers an overview of who you are, what you do, and why you do it. Think of it as an elevator pitch for your business. When writing your company description, keep the following tips in mind. Keep it short and sweet. As we mentioned before, your company description should be brief. Keep it under 200 words if possible. Use simple language. Avoid jargon and technical terms. You want anyone who reads your company description to understand it, regardless of their level of expertise. Be specific. Don't generalize or make vague statements. Be clear and concise about what makes your business unique. Paint a picture. Help your readers visualize what it's like to work with or buy from your company. What experiences do you want them to have? Step 4. Market analysis. The first step in writing a business plan is to conduct a market analysis. This will give you a clear understanding of the industry, the competition, and the potential customers you will be targeting. To do a market analysis, you will need to gather data on the following: the size of the market, number of potential customers, the growth of the market, projected future growth, the demographics of your target market, location, age, income, etc., the needs and wants of your target market, what they are looking for in a product or service, the competition, who else is offering products or services similar to yours. Once you have gathered this information, you can start to analyze it and determine what your market strategy should be. This will be based on your budget, your goals, and your unique selling proposition. What makes your business stand out from the competition? Step 5. Competition review. In order to write a comprehensive business plan, you must understand the competitive landscape in which your business will operate. This means conducting a review of your competition and understanding their strengths and weaknesses. Only then can you develop strategies to position your own business for success. There are a few key steps to conducting a competitive review. 1. Define your market. This step is crucial in understanding who your competitors are and what they offer. 2. Research your competitors. Once you have defined your market, it's time to research your specific competitors. This involves looking at their website, marketing materials, social media presence, and other online or offline information you can find about them. 3. Analyze their strengths and weaknesses. After you have gathered all the information about your competitors, it's time to analyze their strengths and weaknesses. Consider what they do well and where they could improve. 4. Develop strategies for success. Based on your analysis of the competition, develop strategies that will help you succeed in the market. These might include marketing campaigns, product development plans, pricing strategies, or anything else that will give you an edge over your competition. Step 6. Target market and sale forecasts, strategies, and marketing plan. As you think about your target market, also consider your sales forecasts and strategies. What are your plans for marketing and promotion? How will you reach your target market? Your marketing plan should include a mix of traditional and digital marketing tactics. Traditional tactics could include everything from print ads to trade show appearances. Digital marketing tactics could include everything from search engine optimization to social media advertising. Think about the channels that will work best for reaching your target market. If you're selling products, consider which online platforms and brick-and-mortar stores would be most likely to carry your products. If you're providing services, consider how you can reach potential clients where they are already searching for similar services. Once you have a good understanding of your target market and how you'll reach them, you can start to develop some specific sales goals and strategies. Consider what kinds of deals and discounts you'll offer, or you'll use a subscription model. Perhaps you'll focus on building long-term relationships with clients or developing a loyal following among repeat customers. Step 7. Management team. The management team is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the business and has the ultimate decision-making authority. The management team should be composed of individuals with the relevant skills and experience to run the business. The management team should have a clear understanding of the business's goals and objectives to be able to articulate them to others. They should also be able to provide advice and guidance on how best to achieve those goals. The size and composition of the management team will vary depending on the type and size of business. For example, a small business may only need a managing director or CEO, while a larger company may require a board of directors. When putting together your management team, it is important to consider both their individual skills and how they work together as a team. A good management team should be able to complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. Step 8. Financial projections. Any business plan should include financial projections for the company. Financial projections show the expected revenue, expenses, and profits for your business. They are typically based on historical data and current trends. To create financial projections, start with a sales forecast, look at your past sales data to see how much revenue your business has generated, then use market analysis and trends to estimate future sales. Next, create a profit and loss statement. Estimate your expenses based on your past costs and current trends. Finally, calculate your profits by subtracting your expenses from your revenues. Financial projections are an important part of any business plan. They give investors and lenders an idea of the potential profitability of your business. However, remember that they are only estimates. Your actual results may differ from your projections. Now that you know how to write a business plan step by step, it's time to get started on your own. Remember to keep your goals realistic and achievable, and to consult with experts when necessary. With a well-thought-out business plan, you'll be well on your way to achieving success in your venture.